G'day trendsetter, Stuart here, and it's time for the moment of truth. Does seasol help or improve germination? If we go back to the original video, I had planted 6 seeds in each pot, and of those 6 seeds I'd soaked pea seeds in just straight water, straight power feed and the seasol. I'd have to say I'm rather disappointed in the overall strike rate of the pea seeds. Out of 6 I got 5 in each pot, 2 in the water one you can hardly count. I've got 2 that are reasonable sized in the power feed ones and 3 small ones. But then in the seasol I've got 3 good sized ones, 2 small ones and a dud. I've got a dud in each pot actually, so I've got 5 out of 6 in each pot. But having said that, if you look at it this way, I've got 2 ordinary ones, 2 reasonable ones and 3 I guess better than standard water, the ones grown in water, but then the other 2 are pretty sad. At this stage I don't know if it's the seed or the potting mix that gave me such a poor overall strike rate. I would have imagined I would have got 6 out of 6 with pea seeds normally. But having said that, of the ones that have grown, there does seem to be a slight improvement in the ones that were soaked in seasol. So what do you reckon? Let me know, have you ever tried soaking seeds in seasol or just soaking seeds in general? Do you think it's worth it? Do you think it's not worth it? Either way, let me know. But anyhow, they're the results. I'll probably try this again later on in the year. I might try it with some bean seeds or beetroot or something like that and see what the results are there. But for now, I'm 50%, I guess. I think it works, but I need to do more trials. Anyhow, cheers, thanks for watching. If you found this interesting or useful in any way, then please share it around, like and subscribe. I'm chasing 200 subscribers by Christmas, this Christmas, not next one. So if you do subscribe, it would be all greatly appreciated.